Hello.
Hi.
Uptown Swing, level 3, tempo plus.
I'm
That's
Stacia.
I'm Brian.
That's Brian.
We did a lot of work on swing outs today, getting them up to tempo. We did some stuff where we had you just swing out faster and faster and faster, and then you kind of like broke a little bit, and we brought it back down, and you crushed it at the higher than you started tempo.
We really worked hard this time, so thank you. It's lots of sweat. There were a few things that we talked about both for leaders and follows, and just some reminders. For the follows, specifically at higher tempos, but also at lower tempos, there was a lot of getting all the way out to the end of the line here, both letting our arm go and letting our shoulder go. So we just talked about sort of working as one piece, not letting one part, either our arm or our leg or something else, away for free. So I just tried to hold myself together, even if the tempo got fast.
Yeah. For leaders, we talked about keeping that line on your swing out and passing your partner a little closer than you're used to. You were kind of running around your partner.
Follows were doing some of that too, where we were saying like, oh, it's okay, I'll go around you to get to this 3 and 4, and really follows, I want you to be a little more selfish than that and just go straight down the line. The leads are gonna get out of the way.
Yeah, we want you to work more together and less as two separate people trying to make a swing out shape happen. So we'll do more of that next week. Otherwise, bye.